In a recent episode of the popular show The Curse, it seems that Emma Stone and Nathan Fielder are continuing to receive negative feedback. Rolling Stone's Whitney and Asher faced harsh criticism as well, while Dougie also didn't fare too well. Fans who haven't watched the latest episode, now available for streaming on Paramount with Showtime, should be warned that this post contains spoilers. During this week's episode titled Down and Dirty, viewers were faced with the aftermath of Whitney's actions, which quickly spiraled into a catastrophe. It appears that the negative aspects of both Emma Stone and Nathan Fielder's characters are amplifying rather than diminishing. This has left fans frustrated and disappointed, as they hoped for some redemption or growth in their personalities. Furthermore, Rolling Stone's Whitney and Asher faced their own share of criticisms and controversy. Their behavior continues to push boundaries and test the patience of the audience. Despite previous attempts to redeem themselves, it seems that their awfulness knows no bounds. This has certainly sparked debates among viewers about the direction the show is taking and how it reflects on the characters. Lastly, Dougie, another prominent character in The Curse, hasn't been spared from the negativity either. While not as egregious as the others, there are concerns about his choices and actions, leaving fans questioning his overall character development. With the latest episode of The Curse now available for streaming on Paramount with Showtime, fans are eagerly tuning in to see how the events unfold. The ongoing controversies and character flaws have created an engaging narrative that keeps viewers hooked. Will there be any redemption for these characters? Only time will tell as the show continues.